Many military families underestimate the challenges of their transition.
It's actually really tough transitioning from the Army to the civilian life.
It's a hard process to let go. It's not easy.
And so that's where we come in. We provide relief, resiliency, and family support. And I think it's a natural fit for our organization to be partnered with Pillsbury. Pillsbury is helping us with our critical financial assistance, where we pay those bills for those military families to help them get back on track financially so they don't struggle to make ends meet. And a lot of that has to do with either keeping them in their home or paying some of the other challenges that they may be facing, whether it's utilities, rent, and of course, groceries.
They're helping me get back on my feet as far as budgeting to get ahead.
To me, it feels like there's a hope for us.
I really can't thank Pillsbury enough for helping us with our transitional housing program. The families that graduate from this program get a fast start on life, and without that, these families would be struggling.
It gives you a peace of mind where you don't really have to worry so much.
It's like waking up and you're going outside and it's sunshine. Really bright days ahead and it's warm.
One of the things I'm most excited about and really proud of is Pillsbury's support of our community dinner program. It allows the families that we have in our transitional housing program to come together and share their experiences and help each other grow, heal, and move on to a better life. Join Pillsbury in helping Operation Homefront support military families.